Welcome today in front of me REALME GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and here on the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Right now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing. Now just tap to open. Here click enable settings and tap on the switcher near the green Apple keyboard, and here tap to activate it. Now just go back and here tap to switch input methods and switch the Gboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see it's finished. Now for example we'll start messaging with someone, for example with the HardReset, and as can you see right now our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as the emojis, as can you see. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.